Yeah, May 25th, 2025. Talking to City of Madison, obviously Dane County District Attorney's Office. Dane County's District Attorney is Ozanne. He's a guy who grew up in Madison. He lives in his parents' house. It's like Riley Patton. I was talking about a police officer, grew up in Madison. He lives in his parents' house. These guys don't venture as far. The acorn don't fall far from the tree in Madison. And I'm not sure that that's a good thing when we see people who are still living in their parents' house, whether they're 55, like Mr. Ozanne, or they're still living in their parents' house when they're 28, like Riley Patton, the police officer. To me, that shows that they're not out on their own. They're not independent. They're not making it on their own. They're there because of handouts from their parents, or there because of connections and nepotistically. And I'm not sure that those people should be shaping the future in the narrative. When we see valid complaints, like there's all kinds of history of articles in the newspapers about Ozanne and just doing things wrong, and just like how he doesn't manage his office right, and like I talked about the Jim Boyce lawsuit, retaliating against First Amendment activities and all this kind of thing, that really shows that I think that this guy is not he shouldn't be practicing law. It's not even just that it's not even that we need to criticize his management supervision of his staff and his employees at the district attorney's office. Is that there's some point people should not be practicing law, if they're doing these egregious, time and time again, just systemic not doing shit right, in the way that they charge people, and in the way that they file charges, and the way that they handle themselves, in the way that they manage their personnel. And they're just like, at some point there needs to be